Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Apni Artshala. This is Shikha. So today we are going to do a Buddha painting with watercolors. This painting is for beginners. So let's start with a light pencil drawing. So for the face you can start with a circle. Just draw a circle with light hands and extend the circle for the chin. Now draw a center line as diameter for equal partition of eyes and nose. Now you can draw a line in center of the circle as diameter for eyes. Mark 2 dots from the center line for the equal distance. According to vertical center line, you can draw equal size of nose and lips. To align the features, you can take reference from the vertical and horizontal lines. Try to draw with light hands. Light drawing easy to get erased. If you will pressurize your pencil, you will not able to hide the drawing or erase it. Dark lines will leave a bad impression on drawings. I am using a watercolor sheet, but you can also do this on a cartridge sheet. For beginners, it's easy to start these types of painting, these watercolors, pencil shading on cartridge sheet. And these are very easily available and reasonable. I'm going to start this painting in watercolors because watercolors are very impressive. They flows with water. They are not very hard to handle. And you will definitely enjoy this. You can directly use the color or otherwise spread some water on background so color will spread easily. And it will also merge with other colors. You can also draw this drawing on any textured sheet or texture surface. So I am using some bright colors like yellow, orange, green. I'm also using some sprinkle salt to give a different texture on sheet. Let the color dry completely. Then we can start our next step of orange and purple color. It is broken with the help of salt. So now I'm using Persian blue color for highlights the features. And I'm using 3 number round brush. Round brushes are good for watercolors. After every dark stroke, I'm using plain water brush. You just need to wash your brush and spread the color with plain brush. Plain water brush will spread your edges. To start a Buddha painting series in different mediums and styles. So if you have any more suggestions, you can please comment. details. Also use some other elements for this drawing. You can add a lotus flower, a sun, as per your choice. So our Buddha painting is done. Hope you liked it, and if like, so please comment and share. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please subscribe to get new ideas for paintings and craft. Thank you for watching.